This 2015 GMC Savana cargo van is brought to you by Imports Auto Group LLC. 2015 GMC Savana 2500 cargo van. 4.8L V8 engine. Power windows. 5-speed auto transmission. No rust. Runs and drives all good. 2-side aluminum glass/granite rack kit, new with installation over 5K. Price negotiable. Gold AC. Best in class. Well maintained. Clean Ohio title. Nothing to hide, no Photoshop pictures. AutoCheck available on every vehicle. We beat everyone's prices. Must see IT. Call now or text 330-475-4817 for more pics and deals like this one. Please visit www.onlineautowarehouse.com or www.importsautogroup.com for the best deals on diesel, Sprinter van, Dodge Sprinter, Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, Freightliner Sprinter, Ford van, diesel, turbo diesel. When we say best deals, we mean IT. All trade-ins are welcome. We also welcome